Joe, what did you find?
There's this is completely rotted.
Okay.
This one's rotted on both ends,
Okay.
and this one's gonna rot on one side. But there's, it's where you can stick your finger in.
Okay.
All three of these seals are completely gone. Have to be replaced.
Okay.
And so we either try to find new seals.
Yep.
But a lot of times, replacing the window is about the same cost effective, maybe a little bit more, but it's still a better product in the end if you can do that.
Okay. I would like to probably try to make a suggestion to our homeowner for a window replacement as well as a sill replacement, and we'll let her choose with complete
Maybe the
information.
heights.
Okay. What do you got?
This actual there's a 60 inches.
Got it. Thank you.
61, maybe 62 down the bottom.
Thank you. It's a great shot of your socket. You see that?
Yes. Yeah.
Who's your musician?
My husband thinks that he is.
Yeah.
The kids play on the piano, but my brother-in-law is a musician. He plays in a band, a local band.
How about that?
So,